Tonight, Citizens Energy Group is closer to repairing a water main that burst and flooded the roads on the city's east side, and there is still plenty of damage there to clean up.
Yeah, even though water has been restored to thousands of residents, a boil water advisory remains in effect. WRTV's Adam Schooms spoke to a business owner working to adapt to the temporary change and keep serving customers.
Step inside Rabble Coffee on Indy's east side.
Blue cheer latte. We do that ice.
The local coffee shop adapting to the boil water advisory that is affecting thousands of people around the Circle City.
We have to boil or have bottled water just for hand washing, any dishwashing. So we recognize we can't do everything that we normally would do in a given day. So we're just doing some hot coffee, some iced coffee.
So on this day, they're doing what they can to serve customers like Gerard Mitchell.
I have a 3-month-old son, and so we were talking about, this morning about, do we give him a bath? Do we wait?
It comes as Citizens Energy Group is working to repair a large water main break and the damage it caused near 22nd and Dr. Andrew J. Brown Avenue. The break caused flooding along Indy's east side on Thursday.
Oh, I've carried more bags of ice than I'd probably care to remember, but that is one of those things, like we can't use any of our ice that came out of our ice machine after they called the boil notice.
WRTV reached out to Citizens Energy Group, which says the water main that broke Thursday was installed in the 1960s. The reason it failed is still being investigated. Citizens says out of the 4,500 miles of water main in the city, some are as old as the late 1800s. Citizen says the size of the pipe, which was listed at about 36 inches in diameter, is the reason for the massive amount of water that covered multiple streets. Back out at Rabble Coffee, the line keeps growing and they keep serving a community that is so close to their heart despite the recent challenges.
Come out here, serve the community, show them that you love them, and they will serve you back.
In Indianapolis, Adam Schooms, WRTV.
Citizens Energy Group says the boil water advisory remains in effect until noon Saturday. At this time, officials say they expect the main will be repaired and the road reopened within a week. A heads up tonight about a road closure that will lead to detours for people coming into and out of downtown from the west side. According to the Department of Public Works, the intersection at 16th Street and Martin Luther King Boulevard will close as soon as tomorrow and is expected to last through April 6th. This is related to work on nearby bridges with sidewalk and sewer updates.
My question, why are we suited up and inside a room with no windows today?
Right, yeah, well, duty calls.
Right, I guess that's true, right?